So in this video, we will see how we can use the shipping prices stored inside a variant meta field to calculate the shipping rates on the checkout page. So in our example, let's say we have two products, product A and product B, and the shipping rate for product A is rupees 5 and the shipping rate for product B is rupees 8, and both of these are stored inside a variant meta field. Now we will try to set up the app for two scenarios. Scenario 1 will be when if both the product A and product B are present in cart, then the rate should add up. So the rate will be 5 plus 8 equal to 13. And scenario 2 would be if both the product A and B are present in cart, then only the highest rate would show up. So if both of them are in cart, so the final rate would be rupees 8 because 8 is larger than 5. So let's see how we can set up the app. We will first set it up for the first scenario. So let's go into our store admin panel and let's go into settings and then into custom data. Then let's try to create the first variant meta. Let's first try to create the variant meta field. So we'll go into variants, and as you can see that I have already created a variant meta field by the name of shipping rate. So this is what you need to do if you haven't already created one. And once this is done, you can go into your products and then start assigning values to this meta field. So I'll go into this archive product, and so you can see that in the variant meta fields I have the option to fill in the values for this shipping rate meta field. So I'll fill in the value as 5 for this product, and let me go back and add the collection snowboard hydrogen product, and I'll fill in the value here as 8 for this product. So basically this is my product B and the first product was my product A. So now once this is done, let's go into the ShipMagick app and set up the rules for this. So we'll go into shipping rates, click on add rule, give any name to the rule, raised rule, priority will be 1, status will be active, exclusivity will be inexclusive, match condition will be, so because we don't have any specific conditions here, we can just use a dummy condition like cart quantity greater than 0. And then for the rates, let's go into the India zone and add the rate as variant shipping rate. So give any this is the name that will show up to your customers on the checkout page. So give any name that you want to give, variant shipping rate, and then I can choose the calculation parameter as variant meta field. So now I need to enter the namespace and key over here. So again, go into your settings, go into custom data, variants, and then shipping rate. So you can see that basically the last rate, or if you just go into the meta field, you can see the namespace and key for your rate. So the namespace for my rate is custom and the key is rate. So I just need to copy exactly the value from here and paste it over here. So I'll click on done now, and this is good to go. Let's click on save. So just to verify, so for the first scenario we want to rates to add up. If that is what we want to do, then we actually need to go into the settings of the app and ensure that the blending is set to add rates. So this is already set up for me, so I think I'm good to go. Let's check it out on the checkout page. So if I go to the cart, oh, this is the correct. So let's try for this product. The shipping rate should come out as 8 rupees because this is the product B. Oh, always ensure that if the app is in test mode, then you are putting the first name as ShipMagick to test the app. You can check the app's mode on the dashboard page. Here you can see that for me the app is in test mode right now for shipping rates, so I have to use the first name as ShipMagick. So ShipMagick, last name can be anything. Let's fill in the address, and awesome, I'm seeing 8 as the rate because that's what I had set it up for this product. Now let me add the second product to the cart, which is the archived snowboard. Okay, I need to add both the products to test the addition. So let me add this to cart and then let's check out. Again, first name as Ship Magic. Let me put in an address. And the rate is coming out to us to be 13 because we have set the rate to add up. So this is how you can set up uh, variant based rates for your shipping. Now let's actually look at the second scenario where we only want to show the highest rate. So pretty simple, just go into settings and change the blending to show the highest rate only. Click on save, and now let's test it out on the checkout page. Please ensure that whenever you're making any changes to your shipping rates in the app, you use a different address to test every time you want to test some new changes, because what happens is Shopify caches the shipping rates for 15 minutes, and if you don't change the address, it will just keep showing you the older rates in spite of you making any changes in the app. So I usually just prefer to change the pin code, and that fetches me new shipping rates. So as you can see that even though we have two products in the cart, it's only showing me the highest rate and not the combined up rate. So this is how you can use ShipMagic app to set up variant metafield based shipping rates. uh, Once you're happy with the setup, you can go into the billing section and subscribe to the pro plan. After that, you would be able to go into the settings page and switch on this toggle, shipping rates toggle, after which the condition or the limitation to use ShipMagic as the first time to see shipping rates disappears, and your shipping rates from this app become live to all of your customers. If you face any issues or have any questions while you are setting up the app, feel free to click on this button and reach out to our live chat support. We would be more than happy to assist you in setting up the app. Thank you.